Now this figure 20-8C is illustrating sizing the overcurrent protection device in the primary using a circuit breaker where the voltage is over 1,000 volts. Now, the voltage that we have on the primary here, notice, is 13,800 volts, but on the secondary, it's 4160 volt. So we've exceeded 1,000 volts or less on that secondary. So the information, the overcurrent protection for the service is in 208B. We still have metal conduit, 300.37 lists what you could use to enclose conductors above ground. And of course, you know, we would size the conductors from new Article 311, tables 311.60C 73 through C 76. And we would select our conductors from this new Article 311. But notice now for the components, we would, for high voltage, we would go to Article 490 to select those. And again, in the note 1 and 2, we're explaining that we're using table 240.6A to select the size of our protected devices instead of using the note 2 and using the ANSI C series 37 0.06 or 0.46, depending on, you know, if it's a circuit breaker or fuse. But notice on the primary now we're using a circuit breaker. But in the secondary we're using fuses. So we will size these overcurrent devices next here.